Today, I'm going to reveal the pattern behind this princess-cut floral masterpiece. This isn't just a dress, it's your golden ticket to looking like royalty at any garden party or gala. Most people think a fit like this is only for the runway, but I'm about to show you a tailoring secret that will make this dress fit you like a second skin, no matter your size. Are you ready to stop wearing clothes and start wearing art? Stick with me, because the way we're going to construction this halter neck is something you've never seen in a standard tutorial. Let's unlock your inner designer. In the world of fashion, this beautiful design is known as a halter neck maxi dress. When it's made with floral fabrics, it's often called a floral halter dress. If styled in a more formal way, it becomes an elegant halter evening dress. In sewing terminology, the neckline is called a halter neck, a design that highlights the shoulders in a delicate and graceful way. The skirt is usually designed as an A-line or semicircle silhouette, allowing it to flow softly and move beautifully with every step. And the length? It's maxi, long, feminine, and timelessly elegant. This is not just a dress, it's a silhouette that makes an instant impression. Drop me a comment below. Which sewing patterns do you want me to share next? What types of dresses are you excited to learn to create? I'd love to hear your ideas and bring your favorite styles to life. The real magic of this dress, it's the fabric. If you truly want that soft, princess-like, luxurious feel, fabric choice is everything. It can completely transform the final result. The most loved fabrics worldwide, and the ones that always look stunning in this design, are chiffon, soft crepe, rayon or viscose, silk crepe, lightweight satin, and georgette. These fabrics move, they flow, they breathe, and when the skirt starts to move, the whole dress feels alive. Now let me share a little professional secret with you. Floral fabrics are some of the most popular choices, especially light, delicate florals. White, cream, or pastel backgrounds, they photograph beautifully, look expensive, and yes, they attract more clicks and views. The right fabric doesn't just create a dress, it creates presence. Let's talk about the length, because this is where the elegance really shows. This design comes in a maxi length. That means long, graceful, and instantly sophisticated. Typically, it falls from the shoulder all the way down to the floor. In measurements, that's usually around 135 to 145 centimeters, depending on the person's height, of course. And this is exactly what gives it that elegant maxi dress look everyone searches for. That full-length flow, it adds drama, it adds presence, and it makes every step feel a little more powerful. Now, let's do this the smart way. Let's say your total dress length is 145 centimeters. Here's what you do. Take the height of your basic pattern from the shoulder down to the hip line and subtract that measurement from the full dress length. Whatever number is left, that's the extra length you need to add to your pattern. Simple, right? This way, your proportions stay correct, your waist and hip placement remain accurate, and your maxi length falls exactly where it should. Beautifully balanced from top to bottom. That's how you turn measurements into elegance. Take your skills to the next level, I highly recommend checking out my curated playlists. It's the easiest way to find exactly what you need to sew like a pro. Now, let's get back to our beautiful blouse. We've come a long way together, step by step, through the pattern making of this stunning design. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, I'd be so grateful if you could give this video a thumbs up. It might be just a simple click for you, but your like gives me incredible energy and motivation to keep creating these professional masterclasses. Your support truly means the world to me. I really hope this tutorial was helpful for you. My stylish friend, every like you hit feels like a wave of energy coming straight to me. It's those likes that take away all my tiredness and make me excited to create even more awesome, useful tutorials. Seriously, every time I see your like, it's like you're saying, keep going, we've got your back. Your support isn't just a button, it's the fuel that keeps this beautiful journey alive. you've just joined our little sewing family, welcome. By the way, the basic pattern and some super useful techniques are already shared in this list. Make sure to check it out after this video. You won't want to miss it. Let's dive into the design details and features of this dress. Neckline. It's a halter neck with a wide strap, fastening at the back of the neck. This design makes your shoulders and neck look longer and more elegant. Details and accents. A delicate belt, either metallic or fabric, adds just the right touch. No clutter here. It's minimal, yet utterly sophisticated. Overall style. Romantic, elegant, princess-like, and modern classic, all in one stunning dress. If you believe that luxury fashion should be accessible to everyone who loves to sew, share this video with a friend. Let's spread the art of couture together. talk about cutting the fabric, the fun part. For the bodice, front, back, and the neckline, you'll need 4 pieces total, 2 from your main fabric and 2 from the lining. For the skirt, front skirt pattern, place your lining fabric on a folded double layer of the main fabric and cut 1 piece. Make sure to shorten the length by 5 centimeters. Back skirt pattern, place your lining fabric on 2 open layers of the main fabric and cut 2 pieces. Like the front, shorten the length by 5 centimeters. This way, everything fits perfectly and your lining matches your outer fabric beautifully. The amount of fabric you'll need depends on the dress length and size, but here's a standard guide. Sizes XS to M, around 2 to 2.2 meters. Sizes L to XL, about 2.2 to 2.5 meters. Size 2XL, approximately 2.5 to 2.7 meters. If you're making the skirt fuller or more flared, you'll need a little extra fabric. For the lining, you'll need about 20 centimeters less than the main fabric. We've come a long way together, step by step, through the pattern making of this stunning design. If this tutorial has been helpful to you, I'd be so grateful if you could give this video a thumbs up. It might be just a simple click for you, but your like gives me incredible energy and motivation to keep creating these professional masterclasses. Your support truly means the world to me.